A manager drops 10,000 rows of sales figures on your desk, an impossible end-of-day deadline to extract the totals and hit the targets. You find a minefield of corrupted labels, blank gaps, and prices trapped in the wrong format. And as you drag the cursor endlessly down the screen, you realize that manual counting is completely futile against this volume. Then you hit the invisible barrier, the deceptive trap where a price looks perfectly normal to you, but remains completely unreachable to the computer. One attempt to sum the column and the entire project hits a dead end. To survive the deadline, you have to leave the spreadsheet behind and step into an environment built specifically to dismantle these errors. This is a craftsman's space, an organized workbench where data behaves like physical material. The first law: everything is an object, your ingredients stored in labeled jars. The second law: everything is a function call. The heavy-duty tools you pull from the rack to transform them. Apply the right tool, and those cages locking your numbers away are stripped clean in an instant. What works for one broken number now scales across tens of thousands of rows simultaneously. You pour the mountain of data through a single question: who hit the target? And let the workbench catch the answers. Hours of manual work replaced by an instant, indisputable total. But owning the tools is meaningless without the rhythm and muscle memory to use them. A corrupted line of sales data, an empty report template waiting for a human-readable sentence. Transforming this chaos into professional insight is what you will conquer on day 1 of the Introduction to R for Data Analytics course. Complete your POSIT Cloud setup over the weekend and log in Monday morning ready to code.